Hey friends, welcome to our video. Today we are going to show you so many hairstyles that you may find difficult at the beginning, but they are so simple and easy if you follow the steps that will be shown on your screens. Every girl wants to doll herself, whatever be the occasion. So today we are going to help you so that you can make these hairstyles at home. It will take some of your time, but you will look so beautiful and you must give it a try. Net cap here looks so cool. Let's discover some more ideas that will be shown in the video. This is a bow shaped hairstyle. For this you will need this hairdo tool and you have to just follow these steps. This is so less time consuming and it will give you a Barbie look. Usually you might have seen these hairstyles in some fairy tales, cartoon characters and some comics. Today you are going to try this one on your hair or on the hair of your friend. See how good this one looks. It's very important to choose your hairstyle with each day because it may give volume to your hair and you must try the different types of the design. So here is our next idea so that you can try this one. It's so cool and it's so nice. For this also you may need hairdo tool. That's apparent. And now you're going to make a braid like we are doing here. Then we are giving it a volume by pulling the little hair outside. Our next hairstyle is best suited for the small kids and the small girls. For this you have to make the partition of the hair, then you have to make two ponytails. After that you have to insert the bun maker and then you have to make the braids and fold them in the shape of the bun maker that we have inserted inside. And see, in just few easy simple steps you can create this attractive hair look. It's time for another French braid. For this you just have to make the two partitions of the hair, then you have to build the French tail as we used to do. It's also known as the French tail. You can give it a try. This one is so cool and it will look nice on the small little girls. This hairstyle is going to add some volume to your hair. For this you have to take the two strands of the hair and make a ponytail. After that you have to make the third ponytail. Then in the similar way you are going to take some of the hair in this form. It may look similar to the Dutch tail that we usually make and this is going to give a lot of volume to your hair. This hairdo is also suitable for those girls, for those ladies which have thin hair and they want to add some volume to their hair. If this is the problem, then definitely go for this one. You just need some of the rubber bands. This hairstyle is somewhat ombre braid hairstyle. For this you just have to pause the video and follow the steps like we are doing it here. It might be somewhat difficult but it will give a good nice look and see how cool this one looks. This braid is now again inspired from the ombre braid. For this you have to take some of the hair strands and then you have to build the plait like we are doing here. You just need to pause the video so that you can have much clearer look and you can create this look out of just few easy simple steps. Once you will be succeed, you can make this hairstyle at home for your friends, for your mom, for your besties. Thanks for watching.